Hi guys, and welcome back to your fifth tutorial in a Phonebook and C# series. So in this tutorial we're implementing the edit contact form, and as you previously know from uh, the previous tutorial, the edit contact form is called from view contacts form, and we pass the information of the contact that we want to edit. So the first thing that we're gonna do is just load the past info in our form. So right click on the form, click on view code, and in the constructor of the form class, we're gonna type text box one dot text is equal to my contact dot first name, and text box 2 dot text is equal to my contact dot last name. Text box 3 dot text is equal to my contact dot mobile. Text box 4 dot text is equal to my contact dot notes, and picture box 1 dot image is equal to my contact dot photo. And we want to create a private int ID to store the ID of the contact. So ID is equal to my contact dot ID. Okay, so now let's implement the browse button. So double click on the browse, and we're gonna type open file dialog od equals new open file dialog. Od.file name equals empty string. Od.filter equals supported images, which is .jpg semicolon .jpeg, and then a semicolon and *.png, as we've done previously, right? If od.show dialog equals dialog result.ok, then picture box 1.load od.file name, as we've done previously, right? Okay, so now let's implement the code for saving the contact. So double click on save contact button, and we just wanna get the connection string from the previous tutorial. So I'm going to view contacts, and I'm gonna get the SQL connection. I'm gonna copy that. Okay, here we go. We have to be using system.data.sql client. Okay, so we're gonna open the connection. Conduit open. SQL command is equal to con.create command dot parameters dot add with value at first name, which is in text box 1 dot text, and I'm copying this one, the last name, which is in text box 2 dot text, the mobile in text box 3 dot text, and the notes in text box 4 dot text. And then we're gonna add our image. So command parameters dot add with value at, we're gonna name it photo, right? And we're gonna type new image converter dot convert to, and then we provide the picture box 1 dot image, right? I want to convert this to type of byte array, right? Okay. We also have to add our ID, so command the parameters, the add with value, add ID, ID, command text equals update contacts, set first name equals at first name, last name equals at last name, mobile equals at mobile, notes equals at notes, where, oops, and I forgot the image, so photo equals at photo, where ID equals at ID. Okay, so this is our SQL query, right? So what we're gonna do now is execute this query. So if command.execute non-query is greater than 0, then we have successfully executed the command. Then message box.show contact was updated, right? And then we're gonna close our connection. So con.close, and then close the edit for. So just type close, right? Else, then we're having some problems. Then we're gonna show a message box dot show unable to update contact. Okay, and then we're gonna close the connection as well. So contact close. Okay, so that's it for editing. We're now gonna delete the contact. So double click on delete button, and we're gonna type con.open command, SQL command is equal to con.create command dot parameters dot add with value, and we're gonna add our ID. So add ID. Okay, so we're adding the ID to the parameters. Command text is equal to delete from, and then we're gonna provide the table, which is contacts, where ID equals at ID, right? And then we're gonna execute the command. So if command dot execute non-query is equal to 0, then we're good. Message box dot show contact was deleted, right? Contact close, and then close our form as well. Else we're having problems. Message box dot show unable to delete contact, right? Okay, and then we're gonna close our connection as well. Okay, so we're done with edit contact 4. I'm gonna go back to the view contacts 4 that we have previously implemented, and I want to just double click on edit contact. Okay, so basically what I want to do is that after editing a contact or deleting a contact, I want to update the list as well. So I'm gonna call here update list. Oops, update list, and we should be good to go. So that's it guys for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.